Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maram, your girl, with another video. Guys, I am back here like I never left. I want to talk about these two products which are really special to our daily life, and I just want to come here and tell you guys the reason of you needing this in your house or in your car or anywhere you always be for some hours, even in your office. These are cotton swabs. It's gonna clean your ears, it's gonna remove the dirt. It's also gonna wipe out that surface very well, or the surrounding of the eardrum very well. Our ears are very sensitive, so we don't need to use anything that is very rough or harsh. That's why these cotton swabs are very good, because when you use it here, it's not going to wound you, it's not going to harm you, it's not going to create any problem down there. So definitely it is safe for you to use. Mainly I use it before I take my bed. I clean my ears very well before taking my bed, and I also use it even after taking my bed. So it depends, or sometimes when I feel like I need to use it, I use it. So there is no time for me to use it. Whenever I feel like my ears are dirty, I normally go down there to grab it. So you need cotton swabs in your house, anywhere, in the toilet, in the parlor, anywhere. Just keep it beside you so that we can be using it. And I also said that I'm gonna bring this dental floss for you. This dental floss is very good, because it's one of the things that helped me so much to floss my teeth whenever I finish eating or when I'm about to eat, because I have teeth problem, and so many people have teeth problem as well. You might be a victim. If you're a victim, let me know. So this is always in my car, some are in my room, some are in my office, because I feel like whenever I eat something, I need to pick my teeth. It's not something I have get used to, like it's a habit or I'm the one who trigger it. No, my teeth are not really proper. If you see here, I have removed one and I have removed two and I have refilled some. I always go with my dental floss, and most of the time I also put some in my bag, because I might go outside and eat something like meat and then I have to use it. Yes. But when I'm using it, I do like this. Are you seeing me? You know, you are seeing that I'm doing something, but you can't see what I'm holding. So I normally hide the stick. This is how I hold it. Halfway here and hold here. And I'm hiding it and doing it, because it's very nasty for you to start picking your teeth in front of everybody. It's not nice. It's very nasty. It's distracting. It's disgusting. Don't be doing it. Don't be doing it. Always put your hands like this, or you go behind and do it and come back. But some people comfortably, especially the local stick. No, don't do that, please. Always hide it when using it. If you don't have money to be buying this, you can still use the local one, but I prefer to be buying this one. And after doing that, that is when I wash my mouth with my brush and just rinse my mouth with the mouthwash, so I'm always good and fresh. So that's gonna avoid mouth odor. But if you always allow what you eat yesterday night to slip over your mouth, when you wake up in the morning, your mouth is obviously going to smell, and somebody you are close to, the person might not really tell you that you are having a mouth smell, and you might be feeling like I'm okay, because you can't perceive the smell. You can't at all. The person sitting next to you will have perceived the bad odor, but the person might not tell you. So always try to use your dental floss, especially when you have bad teeth like my own. Always try to maintain your teeth clean, maintain your teeth strong, maintain your teeth neat, maintain your teeth white. So some of the videos I have done before about my teeth, I think you can watch it and then see how I whiten my teeth and how I clean my teeth thoroughly without mouthwash or toothbrush, with other solutions. So watch it out and then you can try them. This video is very short, but I know that it's going to be beneficial to some of you who are going to watch this video. So thank you so much for watching me, and thank you for coming to Maians I. I love you guys, and see you guys in another video. Bye.